How to stop annoying Windows notifications in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to silence the ones that bother you without turning everything off completely. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Notifications on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down past the main toggle and look at the list of apps underneath it. From here, go through the list and toggle off any app that keeps sending notifications you don't care about. Following this, for apps you still want notifications from but find too intrusive, click on the app name instead of just toggling it off. After that, inside the app's notification settings, you can turn off the notification sound, disable banners so pop-ups stop appearing in the corner of your screen, and stop notifications from showing on your lock screen, all without fully blocking that app. From here, head back to the main notifications page and scroll down to the additional settings section at the bottom. At this point, uncheck options like Show the Windows Welcome Experience after updates and suggest ways to finish setting up my device to cut down on system-generated pop-ups that aren't actually useful. Finally, if notifications keep piling up at the wrong times, click on Focus in the left sidebar and set up rules to automatically silence everything during specific hours or activities so you're not interrupted when it matters most in person. That's how you stop annoying notifications in Windows 11. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.